Alright, today I'm going to try these STARTRC Yagi-Uda antenna for Mavic Air 2. See if we can get any more distance out of it. Alright, so that's what it looks like. And it's pretty easy to put on. Just pull out your phone holder and just slides on the back. Done. Alright, we'll hook up the Mavic Air 2 and see how it does. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. So my first test was in the Boulder Valley on a windy day where it was 21 miles an hour maximum gust, and the wind was going at me the whole time except for the return flight. The other disadvantage that I had was I started at 96% battery. But all in all, it wasn't a bad flight. I ended up making it over 15,000 feet with great connectivity. Alright, we're going to see how far I can get. It's about the best odds. Take it up to about 150 feet. Best odds because I'm at 100% battery here. I'm going to have to lighten this up a bit. Smoke is horrible today. Alright, I'm off to the races. I want to see how well this range extender helps this thing, if at all. It's a place called Elk Park. One nice thing about this sideways flight off is I can just hold the throttle down and go for it. Won't wander all over the place. Other than if I toggle with the other stick. A little windy out here, not bad. I'm running in normal mode. I'm gonna try and follow this road down. Maybe if we get lucky, we'll see some elk. Alright, the signal's getting weaker. Up on 1 mile here. I think I'll take it up to 200 feet just to help boost the signal, hopefully. There it goes. Just a new spot to do a range test. Signal's getting weaker. Not even on 2 miles yet. Can see it just fine. Wind's really coming up on me. good signal again. Good connectivity. I'm not sure what keeps causing the signal to fade out like that, but it's not really getting choppy on my FPV. And it's plenty reactive. This is high altitude. So I'm over 2 miles now. It's over 6,000 foot. We're right near the Great Divide, Continental Divide. 80% battery. Farthest I've taken this thing is 21,000 feet. So if I hit that and I still got good connectivity, we'll be doing good. We'll see. Getting red there. Oh, there it's back in. I got a cell phone tower off to the left. I don't know if that's affecting it at all. I'm running the carbon fiber props. Real smoky. Okay, we're over 3 miles. 73% battery. I still got good signal strength. Just keeping it full throttle. $17,000, 72% battery. It's doing really good, actually. Nope, I'll cancel that. We're gonna go for 21,000 feet. I want to see how the signal does. Pretty red there. %69% battery. Still got plenty of road left. Problem is, wind's at my back. But I don't know, it might let up. I'm gonna risk it, at least down to 60%. See what happens here. 67%. Over 20,000 feet. Still got good connectivity. It's one thing about this Mavic Air 2 is the connectivity is awesome. Alright, over 21,000 feet. Still almost instant when I touch the controls. Let's take it to 22,000, then I'll turn it around. That way at least I'm beating an old record. Alright, I still got good control of it, but I'm coming back because of the wind. Call this Elk Park because there's tons of elk in it. Just not today, but I've been seeing them all summer. Alright, Well, I'd say that's a pretty good test, 22,000 feet. Now the real test, can I get it back? Right around this point, I realized I wasn't going to make it back, so I had to hop in my truck and race down the road. I didn't want to just land it in the street and have somebody roll up and drive on top of it. I was about 3/4 of a mile short of making it back. All in all, I felt like it was a good test. I did notice more breakup with my original range test without this antenna booster, but only time will tell if this was a good investment.